Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 800 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.